Want a delicious natural drink that supports digestion and helps your healthy weight loss routine? Try this pineapple, ginger, and lime detox, ready in minutes. Cut 1 cup fresh pineapple into chunks. Peel and grate about 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Juice 1 lime. Add pineapple, ginger, lime juice, and 1-2 cups water or coconut water into a blender. If you prefer a smoother drink, add the water first. Blend on high for 30-45 seconds until smooth. If you like a thinner drink, strain through a sieve or cheesecloth. Otherwise, drink it as a fiber-rich smoothie. Pour into a glass, add ice if you want, and enjoy immediately. It's bright, tangy, and refreshing. Best used as a morning refreshener or a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Drink once daily, or up to twice, as part of a calorie-controlled plan, not as a meal replacement. Pineapple contains bromelain that may help digestion. Ginger soothes the stomach and may support metabolism, and lime adds vitamin C and flavor. Together, they support digestion and hydration, 2 helpful pieces of a weight loss routine. This is not a miracle cure. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication, especially blood thinners or diabetes drugs, check with your doctor first. Stop if you get stomach irritation. Try this for 7 days and tell me which day you noticed a change. Like, comment, Detox, and subscribe for more healthy drinks.